Hello students, I am Assistant Professor Sushma Chaudhary from Shri Budhai Devi Shikshan Sanstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Deur. In previous online lecture, we discussed about the classification and the general characters of phylum Porifera. Now, this offline lecture we discuss about the canal system in Cycon. The presence of canal system is the characteristic feature of the phylum Porifera. Sponge body is traversed by several canals of various types. These canals together form a canal system. In Cycon, the canal system is of cyconoid type. Cycon is a sedentary sponge. It leads an aquatic life. The body of Cycon shows pores and canals which form a complex canal system. It is called Cycon type of canal system. It is useful to draw water current inside the body. These water currents brings in food and oxygen. The body wall of Cycon contains outer dermal layer and inner conoderm. In between these two layers, mesenchyme is present. The body wall is folded regularly and develop a regular canal system. The canal system consists of spongocoel, radial canals, excurrent canals and incurrent canals. Spongocoels. The osculum leads to a narrow tubular cavity which is called as spongocoel or paragastric cavity. This cavity is lined by pinacocytes. Pinacocytes are the cells which are present in the sponge body. Radial canals. These are also called as flagellated chambers. These are the finger-like outpushings of spongocoel. All the canals lie in the thick body wall which is lining the spongocoel. The radial canals are lined with conocytes. The excurrent canal then opens into spongocoel. This opening is called gastric ostium. Excurrent canal. The radial canal opens into the excurrent chamber through apopyle opening. This chamber is lined by pinacocytes. This opens into spongocoel through a wide opening called gastric ostium. Between the radial canal and the excurrent canal, there is a thin diaphragm. This diaphragm has a central aperture called apopyle. The apopyle is surrounded by a special cells called myocytes. Incurrent canal. Dermal pores send water into the concurrent canal, which is narrow from inside, lined by pinacocytes. The inner end of the canal is closed and a small aperture is present in between the incurrent canal and radial canal called prosopyle, through which water is moved into the radial canal. Externally, the incurrent canal is covered by a pore membrane. This pore membrane is pierced by 3 or 4 ostia. These ostia are intercellular. The incurrent canals have blind inner ends and thus they do not open in spongocoel. Between the incurrent canal and spongocoel, the mesoglia is thickened. This thickening is called gastral cortex. The incurrent and radial canals run side by side. The wall between the incurrent and radial canals is pierced by numerous minute pores, which is called as prosopyle. These pores are perforations in porocytes. The porocytes are the modified pinacocytes. The porocytes are tubular and contractile. Let us see how the circulation of water takes place in the Cycon through canal system. Through the ostia, water enters into incurrent canals. From incurrent canals, water enters through prosopyle, then water enters through radial canals. From radial canals, water enters excurrent canals through apopyles, and from excurrent canals, water enters spongiocele. Water from the spongiocele is given out through the osculum. Significance of a canal system. The flagella of conocytes beat to produce a water current which enters the spongiocele through ostia. It carries food particles and oxygen and sweeps away the metabolic waste through the osculum. Therefore, the canal system serves the function of food collection, respiration, and excretion. The water current also brings sperms from other zygote for the sexual reproduction. Thank you for watching the video.